G'day! In today's video I'm going to do a quick replacement of the camera glass on a Samsung Galaxy S23, and this one here I do suspect that the camera itself is already damaged as there is dirt and dust in there. So I'm going to clear out the glass, give the lens a clean with some alcohol and just a microfiber cloth. I don't have any S23 camera glass on hand, but I'm going to give a shot with an S21 and hopefully, as a quick compare, I believe it should be able to fit. So we'll try that along the way. Typically, if the camera glass wasn't already broken, I would remove the back cover and then remove the glass out of the back cover separate from the phone. But on this particular model, I'm not able to do, or in this particular instance, I'm not able to do that as it's already shattered onto the glass. So I don't really believe any further glass falling on there would really make too much of a difference. So I'm hoping how it's coming up as one big piece right now, like so, has been helped by my blue mat sitting at around about 70 degrees or 68, 70 degrees. So that just made that ridiculously easy for me to get that off. I was expecting to have to use some isopropyl and just chip it away until I got into there. But that was a lot easier than I first anticipated. What I want to do from here is put some isopropyl alcohol onto a cloth. I don't really want to put it directly on there unless I have to. So usually I start with just the cloth to begin with. Put that over the top. And what I'm going to do is just do a couple of circles with a screwdriver. So I'm not really applying too much pressure on there at all. Just enough that I can go around the lens itself. As you can see, it's not really making too much difference there. I'll fold it over again and put a bit more pressure. Might even go directly on there itself. So I'm just going to put a single drop. There we go. Single drop on there, move it to a dry spot on the cloth. Fold it over so I can see kind of what I'm doing. And just circles. That's what I usually do in this instance. Okay, move it to a dry spot of the cloth. Fold it over, go reverse. Go. And next up I want to have a shot with one of these. So as I said, these are for an S21. The S21 Ultra, the lenses look too large. Let me get my bag open. There we go. And yeah, a few other models I've looked at don't seem quite right. So fingers crossed, this will work. Okay, not that sticky. I assume there'll be something for us to hold on to there, or lose it. Okay, that's looking pretty much the right size for what we're after. So I'm just patting it down, going around it now for a little bit more force. Just so it adheres. And what I'm hoping I can do is this. And go like that. Next up I want to grab one of the lenses. We'll assume the one with the circle is the outer. I'll drop that on there. Push down. That fitted almost perfectly. Give that a go over that with a clean. It's probably going to be a slightly different coloured glass, or tinted glass compared to the other one. Excuse my cough. If you look at that, sorry, there we go. If you look at that, you would think that that is almost the same glass. Probably the biggest thing that is different is how the blackness of the glass doesn't go all the way, so it doesn't look quite right. But also it has had dirt and dust affected on the camera, so the black bit around it isn't quite right. but I'm reasonably happy with that. So that's one way to replace the camera glass. Luckily for me, the heat of my heat pad was able to separate, or to get that lens to lift out perfectly as one piece. Normally it would chip away and fall into shards, but right now it worked perfect. So anyway, I hope that helps, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.